Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a hot-button issue that's causing waves across southern Africa. Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa taking the reins as the chair of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. So why is this sparking outrage? Let's start with some backstory. The SADC summit in Zimbabwe is just around the corner, but it's not all smooth sailing. International human rights organizations like Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch are sounding the alarm. They're condemning the Zimbabwean government for a brutal crackdown on opposition parties, journalists, and civil society groups. Over 160 people have been reportedly detained, tortured, and subjected to ill treatment. These organizations are urging SADC leaders to step up and address these human rights violations. They argue that the crackdown is an attempt to silence dissent before the summit and raises serious questions about the region's commitment to human rights under Mnangagwa's leadership. Now here's the kicker. Human Rights Watch has been vocal, calling on SADC to push for reforms in Zimbabwe. They want to see basic freedoms restored and an end to what they describe as a pervasive climate of repression. They highlight Mnangagwa's track record since coming to power in 2017, which includes accusations of severe human rights abuses, violence, intimidation, and misuse of the criminal justice system against political opponents. But wait, there's more to the story. Despite the human rights concerns, Mnangagwa's chairmanship also presents an economic opportunity, especially for Turkish businesses. The 44th annual SADC Summit, themed Promoting Innovation to Unlock Opportunities for Sustainable Economic Growth and Development towards Industrialized SADC, aims to foster trade and investment. Key events at the summit include an investment conference and public-private engagements, providing a platform for Turkish companies to explore opportunities in sectors like mining, manufacturing, and infrastructure. The Zimbabwean embassy in Turkey is all in, committed to facilitating business connections and promoting mutually beneficial partnerships between Turkish businesses and the SADC region. So, what does this mean for the region? On one hand, there's a chance for economic growth and collaboration. On the other, there's a glaring spotlight on human rights abuses that can't be ignored. As Mnangagwa takes on this new role, all eyes will be on how SADC navigates these murky waters. Will they prioritize economic opportunities, or will they tackle the pressing human rights issues head-on? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on this evolving story. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.